Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Google account is ready. Verify email and enable two-step verification for immediate access. Once done, open the Play Store or the relevant Google service and search the exact item name or input any promo code you have. Make sure your payment method is confirmed. Check $0 balances, saved cards, and Google Pay settings, because purchases or freebies often require a valid payment method on file even when the charge is $0. You now execute the middle steps, redeem codes, and follow the service-specific flow. Go to Account Payments and Subscriptions, redeem for codes, then accept required permissions. Read the scopes so you know what data is shared. Once you tap Claim or Install, monitor progress and keep the app updated. If availability depends on region, adjust account country settings carefully. Use a VPN only when terms permit, because mismatched eligibility can block the claim or suspend functionality. You finish by confirming the goodies arrived. Check your library, order history, and email receipt. If something is missing, use Account Purchase History to restore purchases or trigger a re-download, and make sure apps are up to date. If you hit errors, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, and retry the claim. If that fails, document the error message and contact Google support. One key troubleshooting tip: always retry after clearing cache before escalating, because transient errors often resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.